In today's video, we're going to show you how to track open emails, replies, tasks, and prospect activity using AI so you always know what to do next. Before we dive in, subscribe to the channel for more sales and AI training, and if you want to try Seamless for free, click the first link in the description below. Let's dive in.
I'm now going to show you the tasks view. So this is a view basically of everything you can see here. You can move these around. You can customize the views here. You can customize view columns really on anywhere too. There's also on the search page, there's a way to customize into a card view as well as a table view. So if you want something that's a little more robust on the data side, you can do that as well. But it has all my information here. So I can execute my tasks from here as well. I can create singular tasks. If I have one-off ones that I want to do for specific contacts, I can do that same thing. I also want to show you the activity. So you can see the activity that I just executed across Adrian, Adam, Kathy, and Laura. So these two were related to my campaign. These two are one-off, but those are showing as outbound now. So as soon as those get some sort of action taken to them, I'll be able to see in a few different places. So it shows in the channel, the direction, it shows the status emailed. When they open that, it'll change to opened. When they reply, if they reply, it'll change to inbound. So from here, all I have to do is just come here, go to inbound, see who's replied to me, and then I can easily follow up and have that conversation. So one thing I can do here is I can look at, so if I want to see like what I've done with Laura, I can click view. That'll take me into the email that I sent specifically to Laura. I can add a note here. I can do whatever I want to do here. If I want to expand this a little bit, you can see here I can do the same thing too. So this gives me a little bit of a wider view. And then as any activity, any actions happen, I can track that. I can note that. I can add notes associated to Laura. If I want to create a note here, I can say, let's see, reminder to ask Laura, let's say I know Laura about her, let's say son's basketball game. So you have the ability to, if I can type there, you have the ability to customize this with notes and things like that. You can add, tasks and reminders and things like that. If I wanted to add a reminder, I could also add this as a task, and it would have me follow up with Laura about her son's basketball game at a next certain time. So I can do the same thing here. I could create a task, you can assign a date to that task, those types of things.
Now you know how to manage activity, tasks, replies, and follow-ups inside Seamless. Watch this video next. We're going to show you how to use the Seamless AI assistant to research prospects. Subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.